Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Magnifier for your HUAWEI MateBook with Windows 11. So to do this, you can navigate through the settings and find the Magnifier right here, or use the Windows and the plus key to enable it, like that, and to leave it, click on Windows key and escape. And if you want to find them in the settings, let me guide you there very fast. So open the Start Settings and then enter Magnifier, and it's right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.